Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Let's assess language conventions. Few questions are given here, and based on that we have to select the appropriate options for that. Here, complete the passage by choosing the most suitable word from the list to fill in the corresponding gap. In the paragraph, different gaps are given and you have to fill the appropriate option for that. Here, the newspaper have taken the place of the Bible, the Gita and Quran with some people. For them, the printed sheet is the put blank truth. The printing sheet is the truth. This fact throws a great blank on reporter and editors whose duty becomes in blank that false report or fake news should not be published. So here these different 3 questions are given, and along with that 4 options are given here. You have to select the appropriate option for the each blank. So here we can see the first one, the newspaper have taken the place of the Bible, the Gita and the Quran with some people. For them, the printed sheet is the dash truth. Printed sheet is the reputable, gospel, established or recognized. So here the most appropriate option is going to be the established one. So we'll fill here established, which is already proven. Clear? Established truth. This fact throws a great here. This fact throws a great whether responsibility, accountability, liability or duty. So that is on reporter and editors they are talking about. So that is going to be responsibility. So option A is the correct one for question number 2 for the second blank. For the third one, if we talk about, they have asked on reporters and editor whose duty becomes to maintain, warranty, guarantee or ensure. So that is going to be whose duty becomes to ensure that false reports or fake news should not be published. So it is their responsibility. So they are talking about some surety over there. So option D is the correct one. So hopefully all these blanks are clear. In the first one we took established, and then we took the second one, we selected responsibility, and the third one is ensure. Now the next question is given based on that. This passage contains some errors. Choose the correct option from the list below to correct the errors, and we have to find out the different, you can see the questions are given here, different options are there that how we have to rectify the given error or mistake in the particular sentence. Cultural differences between people may include their language, beliefs, tradition and arts. Each culture has basic standard for social interaction including personal space, eye contact or the amount of body language displayed in public. Each culture can also be differentiated by shared conception of mortality. So these are the few sentences. Now we have to move to the questions that they have asked based on the same. What is the error in the first line? So in the first line, if we talk about, the first line was given cultural differences between people may include their language, beliefs, tradition and. So what is the mistake over there? Here first they have given the word people should be replaced by peoples. No, this is not, because if we talk about singular or the plural of people, it will remain same only. Includes should be replaced by include, beliefs should be replaced by belief and should be replaced by or. So we'll go through that sentence here. Cultural differences between people may includes their languages, beliefs and, that is also correct. Beliefs will remain beliefs only and will remain and. So only this is the mistake. So according to us, option B is going to be the correct one. That is the error actually. Instead of includes, it should be include only. Then we have to find out the error in the line 2. Here the line 2, if we read, each culture has basic standard for social interaction including. So social interaction including We have to find each should be replaced by all, has we have to replace with have, social with the cultural, or standard with the standards. So according to the sentence given there, option D is the correct one. Instead of standard, standards should be there. Clear? So option D is the correct one. Now we are moving to the next question based on the same exercise, that is question number 3, in which we have to find out the error in line 4. Line 4, if we talk about, that is given in public. Each culture can also be differentiated by shared conception of mortality. So here we have to see which one is the wrong. The before shared should be here, the before public must be used, and before each, or the before differentiated. So here we can see each culture can also be differentiated by the shared. Here this is the correct option, by the shared conception of mortality. So option A is the correct one. So these 3 questions were given based on this language convention assessment, and hopefully you all are clear. The different errors were given in that, and we were supposed to find out the appropriate mistake which is applicable, or where we need to replace the particular word with that.